Yeah, it's safer, you know.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Want to test it.
No matter how many temples we build. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. This is Rose behind the camera. We're going to...
You can film people and where, you know, the nature of life.
Okay. We are filming people and the nature of life.
Lift up the hands which hang down. And strengthen the feeble knees.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Or turn our hearts from those who suffer and mourn. Like 7 to 10 minutes. We are under condemnation. Beautiful nature of life and cannot please the Lord. And the jubilant hope of our hearts will ever be gained.
I should show you a video of like what you took, you know, at the basketball game. Like, you remember when you played wheelchair basketball?
Yeah. Oh.
So this is a shot where you had, like, someone scored and then you're like...
He took that?
Yeah.
Wow.
You showed that in class. You should show him your...
They can, quote, fly to the relief of the stranger, pour in oil and wine to the wounded heart of the distressed, and dry up the tears of the orphan and make the widow's heart to rejoice. The hearts of church members and leaders throughout the world are being positively influenced and guided by the doctrines and divine spirit of loving and caring for their neighbors. One priesthood leader in South America was burdened by the hunger and deprivation of the members of his little state.
This is where we came that time. It's called what?
To allow the children to suffer and hunger, he found an empty plot of land and organized. Give the presenter your names, where you from, where you are here. An old horse and hooked up the cloud, began raking the ground.
Okay. Charlie.
Your name, where you from, why you are here?
My name.
My
African name over here.
All of the above. Together.
Philip, Kupeza, Mobet, and Guano.
Oh my gosh. That's a bomb. Alright, where you from?
Hailing from Zimbabwe.
Oh, same. My own family history. Exemplifies my commitment to care for those in need. Faithful pioneers suffered and died as they endured winter cold and debilitating conditions during their trek west. Robert Porter Burton, one of my great-great-grandfathers, was one of those whom Brigham Young asked to ride out and rescue
Sitting here in this car. Where are we?
This will take you to the canyon.
We're taking the back road.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Very cold.
Okay.
So cold we could not move. Thermometer 11 degrees below zero. So cold the people could not travel.
Why are you here?
Not married. Single and very serious essentially.
White or black? What you want? Brown, yellow?
Preferably Chinese, you know. I like sushi. Then you take a ride on
I'm filming.
Hey, what's up, it's Crosby. Yeah. My
F1 is out of luck.
my F1.
I don't know why I'm here. I'm majoring in things. I don't know. Cool, eh? You next.
Hi, I'm Rose and I'm also BYU. I'm engaged in my dreams.
Yeah, okay.
And I don't know what I'm studying. I'll figure it out soon. Bye. And this is CJ.
Hey, what's up? CJ, yo, from Nigeria. BYU student, business major. Information technology, associate business and accounting. I'm here to rock America, people. Bless your life, bless my life, bless your life, man. Go back home, become a big
So are we almost there?
Not yet. You take 1600. I think it's after the light. Yeah.
Right.
1600.
You know we don't play.
Yeah, I know.
Countless and often silent ways to be
Charlie, you talk to Pedersen.
feed the hungry. Clothe the
Oh,
naked.
this has changed. No, call it.
Minister to the
How do I stop it?